Hello and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted, here on YouTube, and today I'm kicking off a YouTube video giveaway hop. We are celebrating the latest release to hit the Kat Scrappiness shop. Our creative crew video team have some beautiful projects to share using the new line of mixed media supplies that just released. There are mousses, pearl powders, toppings, and a new die set and 2 new paper pads. This release is all about the sparkle and shimmer. Hop along today for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to Kat Scrappiness. This is a hashtag-driven hop, so to see all the videos in the hop, you just need to click on hashtag KS Mixed Media 2023 in the video title below. If for some reason that doesn't bring up all the videos for you, you can find direct links to each video on this hop in the description box below. We would love if you visit each channel, leave a like and a comment on each video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to each designer's channel. When you're done with the hop, you can open the description box on anyone's video to find the links to officially enter for your chance to win a $25 gift certificate to katscrappiness.com. To enter, you need to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter and also click the Rafflecopter link to fill out the giveaway entry form. The projects I've been showcasing in this video are actually from our amazing social media team. Since they primarily post their projects on Instagram, Facebook, and their blogs, we want to show them some love here on YouTube as well. If you want to check out more projects from our whole team, you can join us over on Instagram, where we have another release hop. And yes, you can hop along both here on YouTube and as well on Instagram and have 2 chances to win a gift certificate to katscrappiness.com. The deadline for both hops is June 29th. If you want to get a closer look at any of the products that were used on the cards showcased today, there's now a new way to shop from the Kat Scrappiness score. If you look below, you'll see right below the description box a row of products that were featured in this video. We're excited to announce this new easy way to shop for Kat Scrappiness products. All of our new videos will begin using this amazing YouTube feature to make it simple and quick for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for hopping by today. Don't forget to visit every other video on this hub. The winner will be announced after June 29th. If you subscribe and hit that notification bell, you'll get an alert whenever we post new videos to our channel. Be sure to check back after the 29th to see if you are our lucky winner here on YouTube. Thank you again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye!